west. All right, now he's blocked.
He's basically, as we get the signal. Oh, all right. Oh, man. The truck's coming apart. He's damaging other vehicles. Okay.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Governor's Office of Emergency Services at approximately 8:36 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Scientists at the Santa Susana Field Laboratory have been finding out why the moon is not rising. We will give you more information later if it's available. Stay tuned for more updates about the phenomenon.
He threw something from the vehicle as well.
Yeah, well, there's lots of person jump out going through a backyard here in a residential area. Okay, sheriff are now out on foot.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Governor's Office of Emergency Services. It has been found out that the moon left Earth's orbit. Stay in sight and remain calm. If you were in a car, pull over and duck under the seats. The United States government has been notified about the threat and will transmit a nationwide alert shortly.
I don't know. Maybe that's the only person in the car. Maybe David can keep an eye on that white F-150. Let me know if anybody else decides to run from that truck. But so yeah, we're trying to listen to the airship. The last sight they had was near this boat on the side of the house. Now we're hearing possibly northbound. So if that put him northbound, then he may have hopped the wall here.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. It has been found out that the moon has disappeared from Earth's orbit. Scientists are warning the public about incoming threats, like tsunamis, earthquakes, asteroid impacts, damaged ecosystems and mass extinction. If you are living in a coastal area or near the fault line, evacuate immediately as mega tsunamis and major earthquakes are expected. Animals will start acting aggressive. If you have a pet or see an animal, make sure to be as far as possible from any pets or animals. Major resource scarcity is possible and asteroid impacts are likely. Crops will start dying, which could lead to starvation and cause death. All forms of life is expected to die within a month due to starvation and asteroid impacts. Remain calm and don't panic. All programming will cease operations and play the anthem.